Using color pink, make a magic ring, chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the yarn to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 5 and make 1 double crochet into the next single crochet. Chain 2 and double crochet into the next single crochet, and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the third chain using color green. Start the round into the first 2 chain space, chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the same space, chain 2 and 2 double crochet together into the same space, chain 2, go into the next 2 chain space and work 2 double crochet together, chain 2 and another 2 double crochet together, and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, cut the yarn, and start the round into 1 2 chain space using the color purple. Chain 3 and work 2 more double crochet into the same space, chain 2, go into the next 2 chain space and work a double crochet, chain 2 and go into the next space and work 3 double crochet, and we will repeat until the end of the round. We will close the round into the third chain using the color white, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches. Close the round with 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and chain 3. Into the same stitch we will work 2 triple crochet, chain 3 and another 2 triple crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1/2 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, 1/2 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And we will repeat the section 3 more times until completing the square, and we will close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color pink. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the 2 stitches before the 3 chain space corner, then 2 double crochet, chain 3 and another 2 double crochet into the same 3 chain space, and then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch, and into each corner work 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and the square is done.